Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And in this segment, I wanted to go over something I learned from the World Congress of Neurology, is the BRAIN Initiative. And this is actually, again, from the National Institute of Health. And BRAIN stands for Brain Research Through Advancing Innovative Neurotechnologies Initiative. And this will be revolutionizing our understanding of the human brain. If you select learn more about the mission is the BRAIN Initiative is aimed at revolutionizing our understanding of the human brain. A little bit more about them. They're a partnership between federal and non-federal partners with the common goal of accelerating the development of innovative neurotechnologies. And through the application and dissemination of these scientific advancements, researchers will be able to provide and produce a revolutionary new dynamic picture of the brain that for the first time shows how individual cells and complex neural circuits interact in both time and space. So there's actually 10 institutes and centers around the country, and their missions and current research portfolios complement the goals of the BRAIN Initiative. And here's the directors, deputy director, and when it was established. And this is actually a $680 million initiative. So let's take a look at some more about the research overview. Data science and informatics, that's music to my ears, as data science is something that is extremely important. Dissemination, human neuroscience, neural recording and modulation, neuroethics and the neuroimaging technologies across scales and then systems, neuroscience tools and technologies for brain cells and circuits, and then training, inclusion, and equity. So these are all very important and some of the priority areas. There's actually 7 major priority areas that are articulated in this report. I wanted to kind of go over those. Here's the priority areas down here, and let me read some of these because they're very important. So the first one is discovering diversity, identify and provide experimental access to the different brain cell types to determine their roles in health and disease. And this was something that was early on neglected in the 50s and 60s when the Framingham Heart Study was taking place. And then progress in the priority area has been faster than anticipated. And a lot of these are goals that are being accomplished or are set to be accomplished by 2026. So that was priority area 1. Priority area 2, maps at multiple scales. Generate circuit diagrams that vary in resolution from synapses to the whole brain. The brain in action, that's priority 3. Produce a dynamic picture of the functioning brain by developing and applying improved methods for large scale monitoring of neural activity. Priority area 4, demonstrating causality, link brain activity to behavior by developing and applying precise interventional tools that change neural circuit dynamics. And this is precision medicine, you can think of this as. Priority area 5, identifying fundamental principles, produce conceptual foundations for understanding the biological basis of mental processes through development of new theoretical and data analysis tools. And then priority area number 6, advance human neuroscience, develop innovative technologies to understand the human brain and treat its disorders, create and support integrated human brain research networks. Under that, I wanted to kind of read this. We're poised for much progress during BRAIN 2.0 in the priority area. Advances in BRAIN 1.0 have set the stage for conducting neuroscience research with human participants, but these opportunities arrive with the need to consider several issues. Moving forward in this area requires extraordinary levels of collaboration. And And then priority area number 7, from the brain initiative to the brain, integrating new technological and conceptual approaches produced in goals number 1 to 6 to discover how dynamic patterns of neural activity are transformed into cognition, emotion, perception, and action in health and disease. So these are the priority areas that are important to take a look at. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.